Nextlearn presents MCQs with answers and explanations from the Fundamentals of Computer. Set 1. 1. Which of the following are computers that can be carried around easily? A. Mini computers. B. Supercomputers. C. PCs. D. Laptops. Answer: D. Laptops. Explanation: laptops are portable computers designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, unlike PCs or mini computers which are stationary. 2. The basic goal of computer processing is to convert data into A. Files. B. Tables. C. Information. D. Graphs. Answer: C. Information. Explanation: data is processed by computers to generate meaningful output known as information. 3. Which of the following refers to the fastest, biggest, and most expensive computers? A. Personal computers. B. Supercomputers. C. Laptops. D. Notebooks. Answer: B. Supercomputers. Explanation: supercomputers are high-performance systems used for intensive computational tasks like weather forecasting in scientific simulations. 4. A central computer that holds collections of data and programs for many PCs, workstations, and other computers is A. Supercomputer. B. Mini computer. C. Laptop. D. Server. Answer: D. Server. Explanation: servers are designed to manage and provide data, applications, and resources to multiple connected systems. 5. A_ is an electronic device that processes data, converting it into information. A. Computer. B. Processor. C. Case. D. Stylus. Answer: A computer. Explanation: computers are devices that take input data, process it, and output meaningful information. Set 2. 6. Processor speed of a computer is measured in A. bps. B. MIPS. C. Baud. D. Hertz. Answer: D. Hertz. Explanation: the speed of a processor is measured in Hertz, Hz, representing cycles per second. Modern processors operate in gigahertz, Ghz. 7. The first computer made available for commercial use was A. ENIAC. B. ENIAC. C. UNIVAC. D. EDSAC. Answer: C. UNIVAC. Explanation: UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer, was the first computer designed for commercial use, introduced in the 1950s. 8. Personal computers can be connected together to form a server. B. Supercomputer. C. Network. D. Enterprise. Answer: C. Network. Explanation: a network connects multiple personal computers to share resources and data. 9. A_ is a large and expensive computer capable of simultaneously processing data for hundreds or thousands of users. A. Handheld computer. B. Mainframe computer. C. Personal computer. D. Tablet computer. Answer: B. Mainframe computer. Explanation: mainframe computers are used in enterprises to handle massive data processing and support multiple users simultaneously. 10. Supercomputer developed by Indian scientists. A. Param. B. Super 301. C. Compaq Presario. D. Cray YMP. Answer: A. Param. Explanation: Param is a series of supercomputers developed by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, in India. Set 3. 11. A computer used at supermarkets, departmental stores, and restaurants is called a terminal. A. POS, point of sale. B. Dumb. C. Intelligent. D. Smart. Answer: A. POS, point of sale. Explanation: POS terminals are used to manage sales transactions and inventory in supermarkets, restaurants, and similar establishments. 12. Supercomputers. A. Are smaller in size and processing capability than mainframe computers. B. Are common in the majority of households. C. Contain thousands of microprocessors. D. Are rarely used by researchers due to their lack of computing capacity. Answer. C. Contain thousands of microprocessors. Explanation. Supercomputers are highly advanced machines with thousands of processors, designed to perform complex computations at incredible speeds. 13. What type of information system would be recognized by digital circuits? A. Hexadecimal system. B. Binary system. C. Both hexadecimal and binary system. D. Only Roman system. Answer. B. Binary system. Explanation. Digital circuits use the binary number system, zeros and ones, to process information. 14. Which of the following is contained on chips connected to the system board and as a holding area for data instructions and information? A. Program. B. Mouse. C. Internet. D. Memory. Answer. D. Memory. Explanation. Memory, whether RAM or ROM, temporarily stores data, instructions, and information processed by the CPU. 15. Codes consisting of lines of varying widths or lengths that are computer readable are known as A. An ASCII code. B. A magnetic tape. C. An OCR scanner. D. A barcode. Answer. D. A barcode. Explanation. Barcodes are a series of lines that can be scanned and interpreted by computers to identify products and other details. Set 4. 16. The help menu is available at which button? A. End. B. Start. C. Turn off. D. Restart. Answer. B. Start. Explanation. The help menu is accessible via the Start button in most operating systems like Windows. 17. Which of the following is true? A. Byte is a single digit in a binary number. B. Bit represents a grouping of digital numbers. C. An 8-digit binary number is called a byte. D. An 8-digit binary number is called a bit. Answer. C. An 8-digit binary number is called a byte. Explanation. A byte consists of 8 bits and is the basic unit of data in computing. 18. Information on a computer is stored as A. Analog data. B. Digital data. C. Modern data. D. Watts data. Answer. B. Digital data. Explanation. Computers store and process information in a digital format, represented as binary code. 19. When a underscore is deleted, the original application, folder, or file is not deleted. A. Option. B. Task. C. Shortcut. D. Suite. Answer. C. Shortcut. Explanation. A shortcut is a link to an application or file. Deleting the shortcut does not affect the original item. 20. Who introduced the world's first laptop computer in the market? A. Hewlett-Packard. B. Epson. C. Laplink Traveling Software Inc. D. Microsoft. Answer. B. Epson. Explanation. Epson released the Epson HX20 in 1981, considered the world's first laptop computer. Set 5. 21. How many generations of computers do we have? A. 6. B. 7. C. 5. D. 4. Answer. C. 5. Explanation. There are 5 generations of computers, each defined by technological advancements such as vacuum tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors, and artificial intelligence. 22. Controls the way in which the computer system functions and provides a means by which users can interact with the computer. A. The operating system. B. The motherboard. C. The platform. D. Application software. Answer. A. The operating system. Explanation. The operating system, OS, manages the computer's hardware and software resources and provides a user interface. 23. Which of the following is not a component of the Central Processing Unit, CPU, of the computer? A. Universal Serial Bus, USB. B. Uninterrupted Power Supply, UPS. C. Control Unit, CU. D. Both A and B. Answer: D. Both A and B. Explanation: USB and UPS are external components, not part of the CPU. The CPU consists of the ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control unit, and registers. 24. Is a mechanism by which all the content in a specified storage area is written as output. A. Scheduling. B. Logging. C. Chumping. D. Dumping. Answer: D. Dumping. Explanation: dumping refers to the process of transferring all the contents from storage to another location, typically for backup or analysis. 25. VLSI technology is used in generation computers. A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Answer: D. Fourth. Explanation: very large-scale integration, VLSI, technology enabled the development of microprocessors, a hallmark of fourth-generation computers. Set 6. 26. Different types of modern digital computers come under which generation? A. Fourth. B. Third. C. Second. D. Fifth. Answer: D. Fifth. Explanation: fifth-generation computers incorporate advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and parallel processing. 27. The operating system does all of the following except: A. Provide a way for the user to interact with the computer. B. Enable users to perform a specific task such as document editing. C. Manage memory and storage. D. Manage the central processing unit, CPU. Answer: B. Enable users to perform a specific task such as document editing. Explanation: performing specific tasks like editing documents is managed by application software, not the operating system. 28. Which of the following is a machine-independent program? A. High-level language. B. Low-level language. C. Assembly-level language. D. Machine language. Answer: A. High-level language. Explanation: high-level languages are machine-independent and can run on different systems with minimal modifications. 29. Transformation of input into output is performed by: A. Peripherals. B. Memory. C. Storage. D. CPU. Answer: D. CPU. Explanation: the CPU processes input data and transforms it into output by executing instructions. 30. The operating system determines the manner in which all of the following occurs except: A. User creation of a document. B. User interaction with the processor. C. Printer output. D. Data displayed on the monitor. Answer: A. User creation of a document. Explanation: creating a document is the role of application software, while the OS manages hardware and system resources. Set 7. 31. CPU scheduler is also known as: A. Job scheduler. B. Resource scheduler. C. Short-term scheduler. D. Process scheduler. Answer: C. Short-term scheduler. Explanation: the short-term scheduler selects processes from the ready queue and allocates the CPU for execution. 32. China now has more of the world's fastest supercomputers than other countries. Which among the following is a Chinese supercomputer? A. BlueGene Q system. B. Cray XC30. C. Sunway Tehulite. D. Fujitsu SK. Answer: C. Sunway Tehulite. Explanation: Sunway Tehulite, developed in China, was one of the fastest supercomputers globally, achieving peak performance in the TOP 500 list. 33. Which among the given options is IBM's supercomputer? A. Tianhe-2. B. Sunway Tehulite. C. Watson. D. Shastra T. Answer: C. Watson. Explanation: Watson is IBM's AI-based supercomputer known for its ability to process natural language and big data. 34. Which of the following character sets supports Japanese and Chinese fonts? A. EBCDIC. B. ASCII. C. BCD. D. Unicode. Answer: D. Unicode. Explanation: Unicode supports a vast range of characters and symbols, including Chinese and Japanese scripts. 35. Why do you log off from your computer when going out from your office? A. Someone might steal your files, passwords, etc. B. In order to save electricity. C. Logging off is essential to increase performance. D. Logging off is mandatory before leaving. Answer: A. Someone might steal your files, passwords, etc. Explanation: Logging off secures your system from unauthorized access, preventing theft of data and credentials. Set 8. 36. Which of the following is not responsible for the performance of the computer? A. Number of keys on the keyboard. B. Name of the video, graphics card. C. Memory in the video, graphics card. D. The clock speed of the processor. Answer: A. Number of keys on the keyboard. Explanation: Keyboard design does not affect a computer's performance. Components like CPU, GPU, and memory are critical for performance. 37. Integrated chips, ICs, were first used in which generation of computers? A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. D. Fourth generation. Answer: C. Third generation. Explanation: Integrated circuits, ICs, replaced transistors in the third generation, making computers smaller, faster, and more reliable. 38. Which among the following is the smallest unit in an image on a computer screen? A. Unit. B. Pixel. C. Array. D. Resolution. Answer: B. Pixel. Explanation: A pixel is the smallest unit of a digital image or graphic that can be displayed and manipulated on a computer screen. 39. Which among the following cycles consist of input, processing, output, and storage as its constituents? A. Processing. B. Output. C. Input. D. Data. Answer: D. Data. Explanation: The data cycle involves input, processing, output, and storage operations to handle information effectively. 40. Which of the following systems is a function of dedicated PCs? A. Meant for a single user. B. Meant for a single task. C. Deals with single software. D. Deals with only editing. Answer: B. Meant for a single task. Explanation: Dedicated PCs are specialized systems designed to perform specific tasks, such as point-of-sale systems or ATMs. Set 9. 41. BCC in email refers to: A. Blind carbon copy. B. Black carbon copy. C. Blank carbon copy. D. Blue carbon copy. Answer: A. Blind carbon copy. Explanation: BCC allows the sender to send a copy of an email to a recipient without other recipients knowing. 42. What is a concentric circle on a disk called? A. Sector. B. Track. C. Section. D. Arc. Answer: B. Track. Explanation: Tracks are concentric circles on a disk used to store and access data. 43. Which function key is used to refresh the current window? A. F1. B. F5. C. F3. D. F6. Answer: B. F5. Explanation: In most software and browser, pressing F5 refreshes the current page or window. 44. JPEG stands for: A. Joint Photographic Expert Group. B. Joint Photographic Expert Graphics. C. Joint Photographic Expert Group. D. Joint Photographic Expert Graphics. Answer: A. Joint Photographic Expert Group. Explanation: JPEG is a popular image compression standard developed by the Joint Photographic Expert Group. 45. 1 million bytes equals: A. TB. B. KB. C. MB. D. GB. Answer: C. MB. Explanation: 1 million bytes is equal to 1 megabyte, MB. Set 10. 46. ICMP stands for: A. Internet Communication Message Protocol. B. Internal Communication Message Protocol. C. Internal Control Message Protocol. D. Internet Control Message Protocol. Answer: D. Internet Control Message Protocol. Explanation: ICMP is a network protocol used to send error messages and operational information. 47. Which of the following types of computers could be found in a digital watch? A. Handheld computer. B. Tablet. C. Personal computer. D. Mainframe computer. E. Embedded computer. Answer: E. Embedded computer. Explanation: Embedded computers are small computing systems integrated into devices like watches to perform specific tasks. 48. To access a mainframe or supercomputer, users need a node, B. laptop, C. tablet, D. terminal. Answer: D. terminal. Explanation: Terminals are used as access points to interact with mainframe or supercomputer systems. 49. Which shortcut is used to repeat the last action performed? A. F3, B. F4, C. F5, D. F6. Answer: B. F4. Explanation: In software like Microsoft Office, pressing F4 repeats the last action performed. 50. Microprocessors were introduced in which generation of computers? A. Second generation, B. Fifth generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. Answer: D. Fourth generation. Explanation: Microprocessors, which combine the functions of a CPU on a single chip, were introduced during the fourth generation of computers. Set 11. 51. J.S. Kilby developed which type of chips? A. Silicon, B. Silica, C. Integrated, D. Iron oxide. Answer: C. Integrated. Explanation: J.S. Kilby invented the integrated circuit, IC, which marked the beginning of microelectronics. 52. The first supercomputer of the world is? A. Param, B. Siddharth, C. IBM 370, D. CRAY1. Answer: D. CRAY1. Explanation: Cray-1, developed in 1976, was the first supercomputer, known for its innovative design and high performance. 53. Which one is true about the generations of computers? A. The first generation, 1942-1954. B. The second generation, 1954-1964. C. The third generation, 1965-1971. D. The fourth generation, 1975-1984. Answer: C. The third generation, 1965-1971. Explanation: The correct sequence reflects the timeline and major technological advancements for each generation. 54. Which operating system is used in third-generation computers? A. Batch, B. Time-sharing system, C. Real-time system, D. GUI interface. Answer: B. Time-sharing system. Explanation: Third-generation computers used time-sharing systems to allow multiple users to share system resources simultaneously. 55. Which hardware was used by the first-generation computers? A. Transistors, B. Vacuum tubes, C. VLSI, D. Integrated circuits. Answer: B. Vacuum tubes. Explanation: First-generation computers relied on vacuum tubes for circuitry and magnetic drums for memory. Set 12. 56. Arrange the following technologies of different computer generations in the correct order. A. Microprocessor, B. Transistor, C. Vacuum tube, D. Artificial intelligence. A, C, A, B, D. B, C, B, A, D. C, B, C, A, D. D, C, B, D, A. Answer: B, C, B, A, D. Explanation: The progression follows the evolution of vacuum tubes, transistors, microprocessors, and AI. 57. Which one of the following technologies was developed during the fourth generation of computers? A. Artificial intelligence. B. VLSI. C. Integrated circuits. D. Valve. Answer. B. VLSI. Explanation. Very large-scale integration, VLSI, technology was a hallmark of the fourth generation, enabling the development of powerful microprocessors. 58. Which of the following is not associated with computers? A. Bit. B. Binary. C. Pencil. D. Mouse. Answer. C. Pencil. Explanation. Pencil is not a computer component, while bit, binary, and mouse are integral to computing. 59. The first computer which provided storage is A. EDSAC. B. EDBAC. C. MARKI. D. ACE. Answer. A. EDSAC. Explanation. EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator, was one of the earliest computers to provide storage capabilities. 60. Microcomputer hardware consists of three basic categories of physical equipment. These are A. Keyboard, monitor, hard drive. B. System unit, input-output, memory. C. System unit, input-output, secondary storage. D. System unit, primary storage, secondary storage. Answer. B. System unit, input-output, memory. Explanation. Microcomputer hardware includes the system unit, processing, input, output devices, and memory, both primary and secondary. Set 13. 61. The benefit of using computers is that A. Computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. B. Computers provide accurate output even when input is incorrect. C. Computers are designed to be inflexible. D. All of these. Answer. A. Computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. Explanation. Computers are known for their speed and storage capabilities. They depend on correct input for accurate output, making option B incorrect. 62. In the latest generation of computers, instructions are executed A. Parallel only. B. Sequentially only. C. Both sequentially and parallel. D. None of these. Answer. C. Both sequentially and parallel. Explanation. Modern computers use both sequential and parallel execution methods to optimize performance. 63. Computers gather data, which means they allow users to A. Present. B. Store. C. Output. D. Input. Answer. D. Input. Explanation. Data gathering refers to the input stage, where users provide raw data for processing. 64. Which of the following is not a major function of a computer? A. Processing data into information. B. Storing data or information. C. Gathering data. D. Analyzing data or information. Answer. D. Analyzing data or information. Explanation. While computers process data, analyzing it, interpreting the meaning, is typically a human function. 65. When your computer stops working suddenly, it is referred to as a crash. B. Die. C. Death. D. Penalty. Answer. A crash. Explanation. A computer crash occurs when the system halts unexpectedly due to software or hardware issues. Set 14. 66. The first supercomputer developed in India is A. Param. B. Aryabhat. C. Buddha. D. Shiva. Answer. A. Param. Explanation. Param was developed by CDAC in India as a high-performance computing system. 67. Consider the following. I. C. 2. C++. 3. COBOL. Which among the above are high-level languages, HLL? A. Only I. B. I and 2. C. 2 and 3. D. I. 2 and 3. Answer. D. I. 2 and 3. Explanation. All three, C, C++, and COBOL are high-level programming languages designed for easier coding compared to machine language. 68. What do we call an input-output device on a computer, reserved for communication between the computer operator or maintenance engineer and the computer? A. EDP device. B. Console. C. Jockey. D. Link device. Answer: B. Console. Explanation: a console is a special interface device used for system administration or maintenance. 69. Dynamic Ad Hoc Wireless Networks (DAWN) usually comes under A. 2G, B. 3G, C. 4G, D. 5G. Answer: D. 5G. Explanation: DAWN refers to networks that dynamically form and dissolve, often associated with 5G technology. 70. A_ is a small handheld computer that helps you surf the web and perform simple tasks. A. Desktop computer. B. Mobile phone. C. Notebook computer. D. PDA. Answer: D. PDA. Explanation: a personal digital assistant (PDA) is a handheld device used for basic computing and internet access. Set 15. 71. A portable, personal computer, small enough to fit on your lap, is called a notebook computer. B. Handheld computer. C. Mainframe computer. D. Desktop computer. Answer: a notebook computer. Explanation: a notebook computer, also called a laptop, is a portable personal computer designed for mobility. 72. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called A. Upgrading. B. Processing. C. Batching. D. Utilizing. Answer: B. Processing. Explanation: processing refers to the transformation of input data into useful output. 73. Microprocessors were introduced in which generation of computers? A. Second generation. B. Fourth generation. C. Third generation. D. Fifth generation. Answer: B. Fourth generation. Explanation: microprocessors, which integrated CPU functions onto a single chip, were introduced during the fourth generation. 74. Compatibility in regard to computers refers to A. The software doing the right job for the user. B. It being versatile enough to handle the job. C. The software being able to run on the computer. D. Software running with other previously installed software. Answer: D. Software running with other previously installed software. Explanation: compatibility ensures that new software integrates seamlessly with existing programs. 75. The first computers were programmed using A. Assembly language. B. Machine language. C. Spaghetti code. D. Source code. Answer: B. Machine language. Explanation: early computers were programmed using machine language, which is the binary code understood directly by the hardware. Set 16. 76. Are specially designed computer chips that reside inside other devices, such as your car or your electronic thermostat. A. Server. B. Embedded computers. C. Robotic computers. D. Mainframes. Answer: B. Embedded computers. Explanation: embedded computers are integrated into devices to control specific functions. 77. Every computer has an_. Many also have A. Operating system. A client system. B. Operating system. Instruction sets. C. Application programs. An operating system. D. Operating system. Application programs. Answer: D. Operating system. Application programs. Explanation: the operating system is essential for all computers, while application programs are optional and task-specific. 78. The computer's capability of distinguishing spoken words is called A. Voice analysis. B. Speech acknowledgement. C. Voice recognition. D. Speech interpretation. Answer: C. Voice recognition. Explanation: voice recognition allows computers to identify and process spoken words. 79. What is an embedded system? A program that comes wrapped in a box. B. A program that is a permanent part of a computer. C. A computer that is part of a larger computer. D. A computer and software system that controls a machine or appliance. Answer: D. A computer and software system that controls a machine or appliance. Explanation: embedded systems integrate hardware and software to perform dedicated functions in devices like cars and home appliances. 80. All computers must have A word processing software. B. An operating system. C. An attached printer. D. A virus checking program. Answer: B. An operating system. Explanation: an operating system is required for the basic functioning and management of computer hardware and software resources. Set 17. 81. Computers excel at A. Performing the same actions repeatedly. B. Keeping track of large amounts of small details. C. Providing creative solutions to problems. D. Working in fractions of a second. Answer: A. Performing the same actions repeatedly. Explanation: computers are ideal for repetitive tasks as they do not tire and can process the same operation consistently. 82. Choose the odd one out. A. Microcomputer. B. Mini computer. C. Supercomputer. D. Notebook computer. E. Digital computer. Answer: C. Supercomputer. Explanation: while all other options are standard computing categories, supercomputers are high-performance systems designed for specialized tasks. 83. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as an A. Ancient system. B. Historical system. C. Age-old system. D. Legacy system. Answer: D. Legacy system. Explanation: legacy systems refer to outdated computer systems that are still in use but may not meet modern requirements. 84. Analog computers work on the supply of A. Continuous electrical pulses. B. Electrical pulses but not continuous. C. Magnetic strength. D. Physical strength. Answer: A. Continuous electrical pulses. Explanation: analog computers process data represented by continuous physical quantities like voltage. 85. Is not a microcomputer. A. Desktop computer. B. Tablet PC. C. Handheld computer. D. Mainframe computer. Answer: D. Mainframe computer. Explanation: mainframe computers are large, powerful systems, unlike microcomputers, which are compact and personal. Set 18. 86. General-purpose computers are used for A. Accounting. B. Creating a small database. C. Performing calculations. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: general-purpose computers can handle various tasks such as accounting, database management, and calculations. 87. Which is not an example of a special-purpose computer? A. Automatic aircraft landing. B. Word processor. C. Multimedia computer. D. All of the above. Answer: B. Word processor. Explanation: word processors are applications run on general-purpose computers, whereas special-purpose computers perform dedicated tasks. 88. A palm-top computer is also known as A. Personal computer. B. Notebook computer. C. Tablet PC. D. Handheld computer. Answer: D. Handheld computer. Explanation: palm-top computers, or handheld computers, are small, portable devices designed for basic tasks. 89. Transformation of data into meaningful information is known as A. Data manipulation. B. Processing. C. Data mining. D. Filtering. Answer: B. Processing. Explanation: processing is the conversion of raw data into meaningful and useful information. 90. Computers can perform operations on A. Numbers only. B. Letters only. C. Both numbers and letters. D. None of these. Answer: C. Both numbers and letters. Explanation: modern computers can process numerical and alphanumeric data efficiently. Set 1991. What type of storage is used for frequently accessed data in a computer? A. Hard drive. B. Cache memory. C. RAM. D. ROM. Answer: B. Cache memory. Explanation: cache memory stores frequently accessed data for quicker access by the CPU. 92. Which of the following is not an output device? A. Printer. B. Monitor. C. Keyboard. D. Plotter. Answer: C. Keyboard. Explanation: a keyboard is an input device used to enter data into a computer. 93. Which part of the CPU performs calculations and comparisons? A. Control unit, CU. B. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. C. Registers. D. Cache. Answer: B. Arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Explanation: the ALU is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations within the CPU. 94. Which key combination is used to forcefully close a program in Windows? A. Control plus Alt plus Delete. B. Alt plus F4. C. Control plus Shift plus ESC. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: all listed key combinations can be used in Windows to manage or close programs, depending on the situation. 95. The process of starting or restarting a computer is known as A. Booting. B. Logging. C. Refreshing. D. Loading. Answer: A. Booting. Explanation: booting initializes or restarts the computer by loading the operating system into memory. Set 20. 96. The main function of the operating system is to A. Perform calculations. B. Manage hardware resources. C. Provide internet access. D. Run applications. Answer: B. Manage hardware resources. Explanation: the operating system manages hardware resources like the CPU, memory, and storage, as well as providing an interface for users and applications. 97. A set of instructions that tells the computer how to perform a task is called A. Data. B. Software. C. Hardware. D. Program. Answer: D. Program. Explanation: a program is a set of instructions written in a programming language that tells the computer how to perform a task. 98. Which of the following is an example of a secondary storage device? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Hard drive. D. Cache memory. Answer: C. Hard drive. Explanation: the hard drive is a secondary storage device used to store data permanently, unlike RAM, which is temporary storage. 99. A. Bit is short for A. Binary digit. B. Binary system. C. Bit stream. D. Binary technology. Answer: A. Binary digit. Explanation: a bit is the smallest unit of data in computing, representing a binary value of 0 or 1. 100. Which device is used to provide visual output from a computer? A. Speaker. B. Monitor. C. Printer. D. Keyboard. Answer: B. Monitor. Explanation: a monitor is used to display visual output from a computer, such as text, images, and videos. This completes the set of 100 MCQs. Thank you. Purushottam Rout. Next to learn.